Hi everyone, thank you for joining me on Sweet on Succulents with May. I'm May and today we're going to be talking about Aeonium Kiwi. So I recently discovered that Aeonium Kiwi is also known as Aeonium Horthii Dream Color, and I think the name suits it beautifully. When exposed to full sun, this Aeonium is a beautiful combination of colors with its yellow centers, green accents, and pink frilly edges. They do well in partial shade, filtered sunlight, or full sun. But make sure that you don't keep them in intense sunlight for too long, otherwise they'll burn, like you see in these. If your temperatures dip into the 30s or below, make sure that you keep your kiwis potted up to bring them indoors, as they are susceptible to the cold. If you find that there is dust or debris on the leaves, use a paintbrush to dislodge the dirt and spritz it with a water bottle, as this makes them more susceptible to mealybug. If your kiwis do have mealybug, you'll see a white cottony substance in between the leaves or on the stems. You can add a couple of drops of dish soap to your sprayer bottle, shake it up, and spritz it where you do see the cottony substance. This will remove the mealybugs, and remember to check in between your leaves, and make sure to do this as soon as possible to avoid an infestation which will eventually kill the plant. After spritzing down my succulent, I'll place it in a shady spot until the leaves dry out, and check on it to make sure that there are no more mealybugs, which I may have missed the first time around. In regards to watering, I find that my Aeonium Kiwi enjoy a little more water than the rest of my succulents. Propagation. Aeonium Kiwi can be very easily propagated. You can propagate using leaves, as seen in my other video, cuttings, stems, and even from seed. As you can see with this particular Aeonium Kiwi, which I removed from the soil for the sake of this video, an air root has grown into the soil and produced another plant. I think that's a pretty easy way to propagate. You can cut below the point where roots have produced, let it dry and callus over, and then just pot it up, because who couldn't use another freebie succulent? I hope you found that video helpful and informative. And thank you to everyone who's liked my videos, commented, and subscribed to my channel. I so greatly appreciate it. Happy planting!